At this juncture, it is my honor to introduce to you our Troop Information and Education speaker for today's flag raising ceremony. He graduated with a Bachelor of Science in Accountancy from Ateneo de Zamboanga University in 2004, where he was a Dean's Lister. He later became a Certified Public Accountant in 2006. He earned his Master's in Business Administration from Medina College in 2018. He began his career in the Bureau as a Fire Officer 1 in 2006. He later served as Accountant 1, contributing significantly to the financial management and systems of the organization. In 2015, he returned to the uniformed service as a fire inspector through lateral entry, bringing with him valuable experience in both operational and financial functions. With 21 years in the fire service, he has continuously enhanced his knowledge through various trainings. He now serves as the Regional Chief of the Finance Management Division of BFP Regional Office 10. Outside of work, he is blessed with a loving wife and 2 beautiful children. Please join me in welcoming Fire Chief Inspector Mark Enojo Flores. A round of applause, please.
A pleasant morning to our ARDA, the Fire Superintendent Alan Icabot, and to our RCDS, our Superintendent Ricky Ifabesor, fellow officers and fellow firefighters. Good morning. Since still that month, I will be speaking about financial literacy or my previous talks about investment and retirement as well. But since it's February last month, so it is rightful that I'll be talking about love. Love for our body, which is our health. Did you know that the amount of sugar that we need in every day is only 1 teaspoon, but we are consuming roughly around 20 teaspoon every day. No? So, na sila gitawag na sugar in our brain causes dementia. So, pag igulang na ito, dementia. Di lang sila na sugar in our brain. Sugar in our bloodstream is called type 2 diabetes. Sugar in our skin is called aging. Sugar in the liver is called fatty liver. Wala sila nagtawag na sugar liver, fatty liver, para ingnon kay fats. Sugar in the heart is called cardiovascular disease. Sugar in the kidney is called kidney failure. So, sa akin na-mention what's kung sa'yo common denominator, sugar. Have you experienced mo kung mag-breakfast ka ng breakfast? Mga 9 o'clock, gutom na po. Our stomach ganang seems like karang hapdos. So cotton feels like gutom, but actually hindi siya gutom. It is the insulin that produces by the pancreas. Hapdos, ay gutom na po, so nakaon na po. So nakaon na po ng carbohydrates. Di ba nag-carbohydrates kag rice morning, kaon kag bread na po, at tulong mensado, kaon na po kag cakes. Abot ang alas 12 kay gutom na po. Kaya nag-secret na po siya ng insulin. So never ending siya. So the breakfast, snacks, lunch, snacks, dinner, midnight snacks. So 6 times. So that causes obesity. So I'm glad that I joined the seminar January 24. So I started with this diet and okay na siya. No? I lose 5 kilos. Nagtimbang ko karon 5 kilos in almost a month. Pag 1 month ko ma. So, how do you do? These are the baby steps, no? Kung gusto mo hinahinay. Baby steps to lower your sugar in the body. First is cut off soft drinks, no? Milk tea, juices, sodas, all sugary drinks. Number 2, kanang breads and cakes. Did you know bread sa una kay simple ra daw buhaton, bread and flour and sugar and yeast. Karon kay daghana sige. Dili na siya considered as basic needs kay ano sa kanang daghana sa ingredients masilay term di coin sa bread. Isa sa pinaka dili healthy kaunon kay bread. Super processed food ang bread. Limit fruits high in fructose. Sabi na to, magiging ako fruit sa dalan kaya mamalit lang ko. Fruits is rich in fructose. Sugar sa fruits. Sabi na to kay healthy, dili diay. Reduce sugar from rice. So, carbohydrates gapon ng rice. And number 5 kay no seed oils. Seed oils kanang mga ibutang nila canola oil, sunflower oils, palm oil. So those are not healthy. So may healthy na. Coconut oil or olive oil or kanang fats from kanang meat. Kupsan kana, diba? Yung sila kay healthy. That's the healthiest oil that we have. Kanang talo, fats from kanang beef, from cows. Mao na healthy. It's so much kanang ato ang upan ba? Society bitaw mga businessman. Demonize nila ng meat, demonize nila ng fats, promoting ultra-processed products. Mao na nahitabo from 1960s until now. Obesity, grabe gud kayo. And then last one is you eat real foods. As I mentioned, no? Meats, fats, eggs. Just last December, ang USFDA, giusap nila yung food pyramid. Diba, ang itudlo dito kay mga basic needs na to. So, giusap nila, makita din sa food pyramid sa USFDA inverted. So, pinakataas niya kay meats, eggs, fish, and karang mga lahat ng sunlight. We need 20 to 30 minutes sunlight a day. So, mga Pilipino kay hatlok ba daw og sunlight, no? So, we need that. Kay yes sir, kanang you're lucky enough kanang mga bulan diha. So 20 to 30 minutes a day ang sunlight that we need. And there's a lot of information pa. You can search Google, you can search YouTube for this. So these are just the brief outlook of low carbohydrates. Thank you and good morning.
What an informative message we heard this morning. Daghang salamat, sir. May we call on our Sir Arla, our Senior Superintendent, Alan A. Cabot, sir. Citation reads, Medalya ng Papuri is hereby conferred to for Chief Inspector Mark E. Flores, Chief Financial Management Division, Regional Office BFP 10, for his insightful contribution and commendable performance as a group information education speaker during the traditional Monday flag raising ceremony held on February 23, 2026, given this 23rd day of February 2026 at the office of the Regional Director, BFP 10, Gumamela Extension, Carmen, Cagayan de Oro City. Signed, FAR Chief Superintendent Romel C. Trajo, BFP 10 Regional Director. A hand of applause, please.